Hey guys, today we're going to do some Frankenstein makeup. I'm really excited. So yeah, we're pretty much just gonna get straight into it. I think I'm gonna do something a little bit different today. So I'm gonna do like one side of my face like normal and then the other side like Frankenstein, you know? So I'll start with the normal side first, and I'm just gonna prime my eye normally with the P. Louise base in Rumor 01. So I'm going to set that now. So I'm just going to jump into my Be Perfect Carnival palette. Actually, there's not really like enough brown in there. You know what? I might just set it with some loose powder. I'm going to take the Anastasia loose powder today. And I'm just going to set that just so it does not crease. Just like that. And then what I'm going to do is on the other eye, I'm going to take the P. Louise base in Hint of Mint. And I'm going to use this like I would normally use the like white base. So I'm just going to spread it out like it's a put all the way up to my brow bone. Okay, and then I think I might just do the same. I might just set this on with some translucent powder as well. Hopefully it works. Just to stop this one from creasing as well. Alright, and then on for the eyes today, all I'm going to do is some winged liner and put some lashes on. So we'll do that now. Just quickly, I'm going to clean this off so next time I prime my eyes it doesn't have green on it, because that'll probably ruin my next makeup look. I'm really excited for today's look. I hope it turns out the way I want. Alright, for liner today I'm just going to take the Colourpop one. Just do a wing. Quite a big wing, but anyway. Don't worry, we will clean them up. But what I'm going to do now is go off camera, put my lashes on, and then we'll come back and we'll start the actual fun part of the makeup. Okay, so got the lashes on now. These are just the Unicorn Cosmetics lashes in Apple Sours. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take a brown shade and just kind of map out where this is going to go. So I might start it like there, I think. So on this side here, that's where I'm going to have like just foundation, like normal makeup, if you know what I mean. And then the rest of my face is going to be like Frankenstein. For foundation, I don't know what one to take. I might just take my Anastasia one. I'm not going to need much at all. Like half a pump, if that. I'm pretty sure there's an eyelash like right at the edge of my eyeball. Yes, there is. Doesn't matter if it's not like exact, but just as long as it's covered. And then I'm just going to set that with the Anastasia powder as well. I'll just take my small brush just because it is such a small area. Okay. Now I can start on the green part. Alright, so I think I'm going to take a sponge for this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the, I think it's called Amazon Green. It's this shade here. It's just a face paint by Maron. I just need some water. I don't have any, so I'm just going to run inside and grab some water and then I'll be back. Okay, I've got my water now. So now what we're going to do is need a brush. All of my face paint brushes are just disgusting, to be honest. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start by putting the green on my face. And then we can like blend it with my sponge. But first I just want to get it on there, you know? I'm also going to take it a little bit down my neck, because the Frankenstein has like those things in his neck, you know? Alright, I'm gonna take my sponge now and like stamp over it. Hopefully get it like all nice and even. Okay, what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna jump into the Be Perfect Cosmetics palette, the Carnival one. Actually, maybe not, maybe a different palette. I need like a green shade to go over this, like a green eyeshadow. I'm gonna jump into the James Charles palette and I'm gonna take this dark green, I don't know what it's called, but yeah, I'm just gonna take that. I'm gonna take it like on the same brush and just kind of paint it over. So it's just to make it kind of opaque as possible and also get it to be a bit more of a true Frankenstein colour. And also just set the face paint so that we can draw over it and stuff. Alright, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go off camera and just quickly do the rest of this to my face, just because all it is putting the eyeshadow over the top, and then I'll be back. Okay, so I've done that now, and now what we have to do is get the black and start to draw his little lines, you know? So that's what we're going to do. So I'm going to jump into the Maroon palette and take the black shade, it's just called black. I feel like the lines are kind of a little bit thicker, so I'm going to take a bit of a thicker brush today. And we're going to start drawing the lines. I'm just having a good photo. I feel like we could just do some random ones and then also do them at the edge as well. So first, why does my nose always run when I'm doing makeup? Like any other time, but when I'm doing makeup, like really? So I'm just wondering if I need to do any more, or if I might do one over this side. Now I'm going to take a bit of the red of the palette, and this is how we're going to get the deep kind of a red shade. So I'm gonna go back over that line with the red. And I might just put where I'm gonna put the, you know, the things that go on his neck. Alright, now we're gonna clean off the brush and we're gonna go just back to just the black. Now I know it's looking crazy right now, okay, give it some time. Alright, so we're going back just to black, and we're just gonna draw like the little stitches. Actually, I might take a different brush. I feel like that one might be too thick. Now we are going to add some fake blood and stuff, so don't worry, it'll start to get its dimensions soon. Okay, Right, before we progress any further, I'm gonna go off camera. I'm gonna do my hair because we're about to add the fake blood and stuff, and that's gonna get very sticky, so I don't want to be doing my hair when there's fake blood all around. So I'm gonna go do my hair and then I'll be back. Okay, so now I'm gonna take some foil, just some regular foil, and rip some off. I'm just gonna make it like as tight as possible, just like this, and then I'm gonna chop it in half. So now what I'm gonna do is get out my liquid latex, and we're gonna stick this to my neck. Just gonna put it on these dots, and hopefully it'll stick. I'm gonna make like one end kind of like flat, if you know what I mean, so that it has something to like stick to. And I'm just gonna put of liquid latex around it. Hopefully this works. Okay, I'm just gonna hold them like, I feel like when I put the fake blood on as well, they're gonna like stick a bit better. So I'm gonna take the Maron stage blood now, and I'm just gonna like cover them. And the blood is quite sticky, so hopefully it should help to kind of like seal it in place, you know. I just washed my hair last night, so I really don't want to get blood in it. Okay, I feel like that works, right? Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over all of the red lines. I'm also going to put some blood like where the stitches are. Kind of like to make it look like, you know. I was gonna have my hair out for this look, but I just don't think that's gonna be possible because there is way too much blood around here. Okay. I feel like it looks cool. Alright, now the last thing I need to do is put my lipstick on. And I'm going to take the Colourpop Cosmetics Ultra Matte Lip in Star-Crossed. Okay. I really want my hair down, but I just know maybe if I like put it back here. Okay, this is the finished look. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!